Welcome to the Molding Expert Virtual Reality Experience. I'm Karen, and I'll be your guide. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through what this app can do and how to get comfortable using it in VR, how to move around the space, interact with tools and panels, and access the key features you'll use most often. Whether you're here to learn, practice, or troubleshoot, we'll make sure you know exactly where to go and what to do so you can get started confidently. The VR app is operated with a head-mounted headset and two handheld motion controllers. Users navigate and interact by turning their head to look around, while the controllers provide precise hand input for selecting, grabbing, pointing, and manipulating objects in the environment. To begin, rest your hand on the button in front of you, then press down firmly to activate it. Welcome to the Molding Expert VR experience. To move around, simply walk through the environment. Your Meta headset will track your position within the space you've set up, so you can move naturally as long as you stay inside your play area. If you step outside that boundary, a grid will appear to show you you've reached the edge of your safe zone. At that point, you won't be able to keep walking forward, so use teleport to continue moving. To teleport safely, press and hold the teleport button, then aim at the floor where you want to go. A hexagon will appear to show your target landing spot. When you're ready, release the teleport button to move to that position instantly. You can also rotate the view by nudging the right control stick left or right. You're welcome to tour the factory and explore the facility. To learn more about the factory's molding machines, just click any button marked with the audio icon. Each one provides a short explanation, key details, and operating notes for that machine. Hold down the grab button to pick up an object and keep it secured in your hand. Maintain pressure as you move. If you release too soon, you may drop it. To learn more about each hand tool, press the grab button to pick it up. Then hover it over the tutorial sound pad to hear an explanation. Press and hold the grab button, then move your hand to pull a drawer or door open, or push it closed. Open the settings menu by tapping the menu button on the left controller. From there, you can enable or disable subtitles, adjust the volume settings, and modify the app language. All changes take effect immediately, so you can fine-tune your experience without leaving what you're watching. The Interactive Molding Expert VR app features a built-in progress tracking system that guides users through the learning experience step by step. At any point during the training, you can easily view your current progress, see which tasks have been completed, and identify the next activities in the workflow. This intuitive system ensures that users always know where they are in the process and what actions to take next. By providing clear objectives and real-time progress updates, the app helps maintain focus, improves learning efficiency, and creates a structured, engaging training environment. In the Learning Center, you will find a shelf containing all of the learning exercises included in your app. Each exercise is represented by a jar. As you complete lessons and activities, the jar gradually fills with plastic granules, providing a visual indication of your progress. The more progress you make, the more granules accumulate in the jar. Once a jar is completely filled, the corresponding exercise has been successfully completed. This unique progress tracking system lets you quickly see your achievements and identify which exercises still need attention as you progress through the training program. Every lesson includes a dedicated progress screen that provides a clear overview of your completion status. This screen breaks the lesson down into individual tasks and subtasks, allowing you to quickly identify which activities have been completed and which still require attention. In our example from the Storage Box Mold module, the progress screen shows that you have successfully listened to all available audio clips in exploration mode, completing that portion of the lesson. However, there are still 2 remaining tasks in animation mode that must be finished before the animation mode lesson can be considered fully complete.
The cycle begins as the mold closes.
Once you have successfully completed a lesson, a trophy will be awarded to recognize your achievement. You can view all your earned trophies in the Learning Center, which serves as a record of your progress and accomplishments throughout the training program. As you complete more lessons, your trophy collection will continue to grow, helping you track your learning journey and celebrate each milestone along the way. Have fun exploring, learning, and unlocking achievements as you progress through the VR experience. Discover new concepts, interact with realistic equipment and processes, and challenge yourself to earn trophies along the way. This is just the beginning. Future updates will bring even more educational content, interactive learning modules, equipment demonstrations, and immersive experiences to help you expand your knowledge and skills. Our goal is to continuously grow the platform, providing fresh content and new opportunities to learn, explore, and master the world of plastics manufacturing and mold design in virtual reality. Stay curious, keep learning, and enjoy the journey. To earn your first trophy, head to the Machine Lab straight ahead. Once you step inside, you're ready to begin your first challenge. This room houses an injection molding machine used to test new mold functionality, set up and validate molds, and develop and refine robust, repeatable molding processes. It supports early-stage trials through production-ready process development, including parameter tuning, troubleshooting, and documenting process windows for consistent part quality. Before you do anything else, take a moment to read the instructions posted on the board. When you're clear on the steps and safety notes, start the machine and get to work. To begin operation, first load material into the hopper, then start the machine. Hold down the grab button to pick up an object and keep it secured in your hand. Maintain pressure as you move. If you release too soon, you may drop it. Great! Now release the handle and slide the hopper over the cylinder throat. Align the hopper by sliding it into position until it sits centered directly above the cylinder's feed throat, ensuring the opening is fully aligned for smooth, unobstructed material flow. Once we close the machine's safety doors, we'll be clear to depart. Great! All preparatory steps have been completed, and the machine has now been started. The mold storage shelf is in the workshop. To start a mold design review session, go to the shelf, locate the correct mold for the job, and begin the session. The storage mold comes included with the app's base version, and you can purchase additional molds as add-ons. After you complete a purchase, the new mold downloads automatically in the background and becomes available right away, no extra setup needed. Just open the app and start using it. On the right-hand side, you'll find a progress board that shows how far you've made it in the current lesson, so you can track what's completed and what's still ahead at a glance. You're now in Explore mode for the mold design review. Use the numbered buttons in the table to open each Explore mode step. Aim the controller at a component label, then pull the trigger to open detailed information about that mold component.
The core plate is also the parting.
To meet your lesson goals, you must listen to all audio clips in every step before moving on to receive your trophy. You can pick up objects by pressing and holding the grab button. Keep holding to maintain your grip, then release to drop the object. If you're holding a component, squeeze the trigger to switch it into X-ray mode, then inspect and explore its internal features in detail. Click the eye icon to hide the labels. You're in animation mode. Press play to watch the full molding cycle from start to finish, or step through each stage individually using the molding step icons. To reach your goal, you need to listen to every single step. This hands-on training program is designed to equip you with the skills and best practices needed to assemble and disassemble injection molds with confidence, accuracy, and consistency. Step forward and start your journey by pressing the assembly or disassembly button. Aim your controller at the button so that the beam is pointing at it, and press the trigger with your index finger. With the lesson instructions displayed across both monitors, you can clearly see what to do next. Stay oriented in the workflow and track your progress as you move through each task. Like most molds, this vial mold consists of two halves, an A side and a B side. We'll begin by disassembling the B side. Before we do that, we need to reposition the A side to clear space and make the next steps easier. Reach for the A side. Press and hold the controller's grab button to pick it up. Lift and move the plate to the right side of the workbench. Carefully align the plate with the green marked position on the bench. Release the grip to set it down securely. Once the task is complete, click the Next button. Let's walk through how to use a hand tool with this example. In this step, we loosen the first 4 screws on the back of side B. Pick up the highlighted Allen wrench by holding down the grab button. Move the wrench to an illuminated screw and carefully position it on the screw head. When the screw highlights red, press the index finger button to loosen it. Return the wrench to its designated spot. Remove the loosened screws from the mold. Put the screws in the marked area on the left side of the workbench to keep them organized. Repeat these steps until all 4 screws are loosened and placed in the marked area. Let's walk through an example to make it clear what parts containers are for and how you'll use them in our VR app. In this scenario, you'll be organizing components on the left-hand workbench. Start by locating the highlighted parts containers on the left wall. Remove the highlighted containers one by one and place them on the workbench. Next, load each container with the correct items, shoulder bolt bodies, and head screws. Make sure each container receives the specific components assigned to it in the instructions. Once all containers are correctly loaded, return every parts container to its original location on the left wall where you picked it up. This step is required. Containers must be returned to their designated spots before you proceed. After completing the Molding Expert VR app tutorial, you're all set to jump in. Get ready for hands-on practice, discovery, and plenty of fun as you build skills and explore what the app can do.